Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrasal verb fix somebody up. Fix somebody up means to help someone by arranging or providing something. It can mean setting someone up on a date, or it can mean repairing or preparing something for someone. For example, I will fix you up with a good mechanic. Here, it means helping someone find a mechanic. You can also say, she fixed me up with a date. This means she arranged a meeting with someone. Fix somebody up is informal and used in everyday conversations. Remember, it is a separable phrasal verb. You can say fix me up or fix up me, but the first is more common. You can fix someone up with food, tickets, or even a job. For example, he fixed me up with a ticket to the concert. Be careful not to say fix up me, which sounds wrong. Instead, say fix me up. You can use fix somebody up when you want to help a friend, or when you want to repair something for someone. Other similar phrases are set up and hook up, but they have different meanings. Practice by using fix somebody up in your own sentences. Thanks for watching. See you next time.